I tell you that this is still the best trading strategy for trading forex or any of these assets, then you should hold on to it. Okay, I'm going to dish out this in details in this video so that you will get to know how we came across the signal I gave out in the night yesterday on the Telegram channel that led to huge profits this morning. Okay, so this is so unique. Stay tuned so that you too can learn and improve your trading activities. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me directly via WhatsApp. So now let's go straight into what we are right here. This is the same strategy I've been using over and over to generate signals for my subscribers in the Telegram channel. And while I was going through my last trading activities yesterday, I saw this signal. Actually, I've been on this particular signal on this particular asset for a while. This is Ganex 999. I'm on 15 minutes time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Meoka trading indicator. If you should notice, we actually sold from here till it got to this particular support region. And right from here, we also bought till it got to this our resistance zone and it had a pullback and bought more. Okay. I remember the last time we also sold right from here. If you should notice, it has been picking up on this trend line. Okay, so it also gave us a downtrend signal at this point. Okay, and if you should notice, apart from it picking up on the upper part of the trend line at, or let me use the channel, upper part of the channel, it's also giving us a kind of um situation, okay, a kind of M chart. Okay, so that is it. So this shows that it's going to sell, and of course it sold till it got to the lower part of the channel. Okay, thereafter it picked up from there and bought till it got to the upper part of the channel. When I noticed that it's not going to break out above it, and I had to wait for it to give me the downtrend signal. It gave me the downtrend signal at this point and also gave me the sell signal at this point, and that was how I was able to generate for some signals for us within the Telegram channel. And I actually said it should get to this point. Okay, and of course, at this point, I believe if it breaks out from this lower part of the trend line, then definitely it's going to sell more. And as you can see, it is selling more even at the moment. So that's so amazing. So if you are in the Telegram channel and you saw my signal yesterday, late yesterday, and you were able to pick it, congratulations to you guys. Okay, because this is how we've been milking it back to back on daily basis. Okay, and the easiest way which I have been going about these signals is by following the trend. Okay, so once you understand the trend, then you will always get it right. Right now, it is giving us it is trying to achieve the bigger picture of M. Okay, and this may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, the last part of the M. Okay, so that is it. That is how beautiful it is. Okay, so once you understand the signal, you will or you are most likely to be having profitable trades on daily basis. So learn the strategy first, and of course you can now start applying it on your trading activities. And what is the strategy? Learn the trend trading strategy. The trend trading strategy will help you to trade for a very long time, and of course it will also help you to achieve more profitable trades than the other way around. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, you can put your question down there in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.